In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Hogwarts Legacy crashing due to missing PC runtime on 40_1.dll or MSVCP140.dll on Epic Games or Steam. Let's fix it, guys. Open up Chrome and search Universal Windows Runtime Installer. Press enter. Select the Universal Runtime Installer download. Select download option. After the download done, click on it and select more info and select run anyway option. Select yes option and as you can see, all required files for the game to run, it will be checked over here. Select the install selected programs option. And after getting the message installation has completed successful, just click on OK and close off this and launch the Hogwarts Legacy without any problem. And now the error must be gone. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.